Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. K51. What is the longest road in India? Ans G. T. Road. K52. 52. The most educated state of India is? Ans Kerala. K53. In which part of the body urea is made? Ans liver. Ans Sardar Bhagat. Ans liver. K54. Who first gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Ans Sardar Bhagat Singh. K55. Which is the highest award of India? Ans Bharat Ratna. K56. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly constituted to frame the Constitution of India? Ans Mr. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Ans Bihar. Ans Bihar. K57. The Indian film actor Shatrughan Sinha belongs to which state? Ans Bihar. K58. For which product is Aligarh famous? Ans to meat locks. K59. In which Indian state Vishakhapatnam port is located? Ans Andhra Pradesh. K60. How many planets are there in our solar system family? Ans 8. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.